Fernando and welcome to Where in Pampanga.
Yes, for today's vlog, pupuntahan natin pinakabagong coffee shop dito sa may San Fernando. Ito ay sa mga curious drinkers.
Guys, this is Pueblo Coffee. If you wanna know more about this, samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go!
I'm Miguel Razon. I'm the designer and architect of Pueblo Coffee. Yung Pueblo, it's derived from village. Then it's a window and a coffee. So parang kapasok mo sa coffee shop, it's may invite kang bumili ng coffee. Parang gano'n.
So ayun nga guys, si Pueblo Coffee is nandito siya sa may Era Zone Square, which is kaharapan niya si Baja California. Now if you go here, ayan, ito yung Pueblo Coffee natin. You can enjoy yung indoor dining nila. You can also enjoy itong parang courtyard na dining din. During the evening, actually pwede din kayong magtambay dito, have your coffee. Aside from that, meron din tayo dito parang pinaka-alfresco nila for the coffee shop itself, which is here. Ito siya. Ayan, so another place for you to go, mga taga San Fernando. Tambayan natin to guys. The parking is not problem. Napakalawak ng parking space nila. Sobrang millennial feels nito.
So first, yung concept namin for the Pueblo Coffee, it's derived from the Baja California restaurant. Yung Baja California kasi, it's more on the Mexican theme. So party and colorful. So dito naman sa Pueblo Coffee, it's much more than like that. Pero yung material and yung feel, it's more in comfy and natural finish. Tapos konting colors lang na muted. Sinaselebrate mo lang yung sarili mo kapasok mo sa coffee shop.
Alright, so for the coffees, meron tayong Kape Pueblo. We also have Cargado. Actually, parang 4 shots ito ng espresso, bro.
Actually, kargado na dyan. Kapag ininom mo yan, kasi for sure, gising na gising.
Yes. So, next for the coffee, meron tayong horchata, tsaka dirty horchata. Honey oat. Meron din tayong sea salt matcha. We also have Agua de Jamaica. We also have Pueblo Jelly Ice. I think ito yung titigman ko later on. Meron din tayong Pueblo Jelly Blended naman. And then lastly, meron tayo Strawberry Horchata.
Yes, syempre hindi mawawala dyan yung mga pastries natin when it comes sa mga coffee shop. So, meron tayong kanilang carrot bread. Meron tayong New York cheesecake, salted caramel cheesecake, syempre red velvet, yung kanilang classic chocolate chips, and oatmeal cookie.
Yun. So, if you recall guys, ay na-feature din natin si Baja California before. You can also order yung mga favorite Mexican food ninyo. So, they also sent us mga nachos. We also have quesadillas, soft tacos, crunchy tacos, and lastly, churros for our dessert.
Next thing to do, let's taste them.
Alright? Coffee jelly iced.
This is their Agua de Jamaica, which is ito yung hibiscus tea nila.
Wow.
Refreshing.
Cheers. So fresh. So fresh. Sarap.
Ito ka mag-enjoy ka dito.
Cheers. Right. More of these tacos, bro. Woo! Grabe, Mark. Ako,
Yes.
saya ko dahil for today's video, may discover na naman tayong bagong puntahan ng mga taga San Fernando.
Actually, this is a new place talagang tatambayan mo when it comes sa mga coffee, pastries, and syempre yung mga food
Mexican
ng Baja.
food, yes. And guys, if you're looking for Mexican food, no, mga burritos, burger, mga ribs, tacos, quesadillas, that is a must try dito po sa San Fernando, Pampanga.
Yes, syempre, if you're looking for a place naman for coffee and chill, you should visit itong Pueblo Coffee by
Yes.
Baja California.
Actually, this is very suitable, no, for yung mga late night hangout.
Yes.
So, napaka-perfect niya dahil
So they're open from 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. Monday to Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and nag-extend sila hanggang 11 p.m.
yun. So, during weekends, guys, it's gonna be a longer kwentuhan,
Yes.
enjoying the coffee. So, what else can you ask for? Pupunta na lang kayo dito.
Yes.
There you go, guys. If you like the footage in this video, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. We hope to see you in the next video.
So that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery.
Peace out.